Revamp your kitchen effortlessly with chic baker's rack and tall unit designs. Baker's racks aren't just for baking, they're a style statement. Consider metal and wood fusion for a contemporary touch, or go industrial with reclaimed wood and metal pipes. Multi-tiered organization and wine storage options add both functionality and flair. Tall units, often overlooked, are kitchen powerhouses. Convert them into efficient pantries with pull-out shelves, or achieve modern elegance by integrating appliances seamlessly. Glass front cabinets showcase your kitchen treasures, while pull-out pantries and appliance garages ensure a clutter-free space. With balancing style and function, these designs promise to transform your kitchen into a space that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Explore the possibilities and witness your kitchen evolve into a haven of innovation and
Transforming your kitchen into a stylish and functional space is no more achievable than ever with the latest trends in kitchen baker's rack and tall unit designs. These two elements, often underestimated, play a crucial role in maximizing both storage and aesthetic. Combining these designs allow you to create a kitchen that not only meets your practical needs but also reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of metal and wooden fusion or the modern efficiency of integrated appliances, the key is to balance form and function. Explore these trends and witness your kitchen evolve into a space that seamlessly blends innovation with aesthetics. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.